Welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur.
I'm Neha. I'm Pooja.
So, are you guys ready for today's quiz?
Yes.
Alright. So, in today's quiz, all our answers will have the first and the last letter to be the same.
Okay.
Alright? For example, Malayalam. So, N starts with M and ends with M.
Okay.
So, all our answers are going to be like that. So, think and answer. So, let's get into the quiz and start it out immediately. Alright. So, are you guys ready? Okay.
Yes.
Let's go. So, the first question is a polite and respectful way of addressing a woman.
Miss.
First and
Ma'am.
last.
Madam.
Yes. That was the answer I was thinking. Ma'am is more of a colloquial.
Correct. It's a
But yeah, okay, I will take ma'am also. Alright, okay. Okay, right. Madam. So, like now you get the hang of
Yeah,
it, right?
yeah.
Okay. So, let's go to the next one. Okay. The largest snake in the world that are much stronger in water.
Anaconda.
Correct. Yes, it is an anaconda. All right. There was a movie also with the name Anaconda. All right. Next one. Okay. A little bit of science here. Deficiency of iron causes.
Anemia.
Yes, it is anemia. Correct. All right. Let's go into the next one. Okay. Being faithful to someone is called being
Loyal.
Wow.
Loyal बोलना चाहिए L-O-Y. Oh
loyal.
shit.
Starts with
मैंने
L.
loyal
ends
ही
with
था
L.
फिर मैंने कहा
Yes, starts with an L, ends with an L. Loyal it is. All right. You're getting the hang of it really fast. Okay. This one, I think you both will get it quickly. So, a photocopier brand.
Xerox.
Yes, it is. So, actually, Xerox
Is a company.
It's the name of the company. So, the trivia here is the name of the company is Xerox Holdings Corporation, and it is a multinational company headquartered at Connecticut. All right. So Xerox it is. So it is not doing Xerox photocopying.
Is the
the word actual word, but it is synonymous with the company that makes the machine, which is Xerox. All right. Okay. Let's go into the next one. A type of microscopic unicellular organism with the ability.
Amoeba.
Correct. I think that was. All of us have learned to draw that particular microscopic organism first. when
Yeah,
we
it doesn't
started.
require any drawing skills
Exactly.
either.
So it is just a random
It
shape.
can be any shape.
So it has the ability to alter its shape and are found in fresh water. The answer is amoeba, a microscopic unicellular organism. Okay, this one is very easy. An exclamation on seeing something amazing.
Wow.
Wow, that was quick. All right, okay. Pooja, buck up. Come on, let's see you doing it. Okay, the next one. Okay, might be a little tricky for you to understand, but it's an easy answer. A deck of cards used where people practicing interpret the cards to gain insights into the past, present, and future.
Tarot. Tarot cards.
Yes, it is correct. Tarot. Tarot is spelled as
T-A-R-O.
T-A-R-O-T. Tarot.
Oh,
Yes, so
shit.
tarot
But tarot
it is.
doesn't
Yes.
like, oh, तो है वो T
Tarot,
plus.
the last T is
Right.
silent there,
Tarot
but it is
cards.
Tarot card. So tarot card reading. Yeah. These days used a lot in
Correct.
predicting.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one. A woman belonging to a religious group who promises to follow a leader and not marry.
None.
Exactly. None. Not the N. This is N-U-N. None. Correct. There. That it is. That none. Okay. Yes. You got it right. All right. Let's go to the next one. It's okay. You can still answer quite a few questions. Okay. The next one. A condition in which a person's airways become inflamed, which makes it difficult for them to breathe.
Claustrophobic. Claustrophobia. No.
C and A.
No. What is the? Can you please repeat
Again,
the
I'll
question?
repeat the question. A condition in which a person's
Asthma.
airways become inflamed, which makes it difficult for them to breathe. Asthma it is. All right.
Actually, I should have
A
guessed
and
it.
A.
I didn't get the question. I didn't listen. I was laughing.
Claustrophobia is a fear of closed spaces, not this.
Correct,
all
correct.
right.
Yeah.
Okay. See, you're getting it. Come on. Okay, let's go to the next one. To overstate or make something feel larger than it is actually.
Exaggerate.
I think these days everybody does that. Exaggeration. Exaggerate. It is correct. Okay, let's go into the next question. An infection with symptoms that include headache or facial pain,
Nausea.
runny nose, and nasal
Cold.
congestion starts and ends with the same letter. You can give me the scientific term for whatever you're saying. Nasal pain, headache, stuffy nose. on, it's runny nose, nasal congestion. You feel it
Cold.
like really.
Cold का scientific term क्या है? That's what I'm thinking.
And an issue with the the pain that is from here, your nasal area till your forehead.
Migraine. No, migraine
Another term.
is
It's a very commonly used term,
Headache.
term today. Simple one, guys. I think you guys must have got it by now. Come on.
Cough.
No.
रुक जा, viral fever.
Okay, I'll give you 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. The answer is sinus or sinusitis.
Sinus.
More commonly used term. All right. Okay.
Didn't strike though.
Okay. The next one.
Both of us have it and we didn't know
Correct,
it.
yeah. Okay. So, also known as a toadstool, a fungus used as a vegetable that grows above the ground.
Mushroom. अरे यार shit.
Mushroom it is. Yes. Okay. See the good part of not liking it also.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Okay. Yes. Okay. The next one. Very easy. The most southernmost and coldest continent on Earth.
Antarctica.
Antarctica it is.
She
Okay.
never passed in English, you see. ये geography का question है, ये English नहीं है पहली बात. The game is on English, no words.
Okay. Right. No problem. Okay. We have this question now. Listen carefully.
और
Okay.
ये कौन बोला मैं इंग्लिश में मैं कहीं मैथ से पास कर रही ना कि इंग्लिश में कुछ भी.
Okay, relax. No fighting. Okay, next one. A prime number whose Roman numerals are XIX
12,
starts and ends with the same letter.
11, 90, 90,
Spell it.
19, 90, NINETEN, 19.
19.
अब 19 अच्छी कॉपी क्या मेरा सही जवाब था मैं पहले सोच ही रही थी 9 10 9 मैं वही ध्यान कर रही थी 90 है या 9 मैं याद कर रही थी वो 10 है और वो 9 है सब मेरा कॉपी कर
X is 10. I is
मैम भी बोला मैडम भी इसने बोला
19.
मेरे क्लू से जीतने वाली और है पॉइंट डजंट मैटर आई एम
Okay, it is 19 and 90 is anyways not
9 आज
Yeah.
समझी
It is not a prime number. All
और वो
right?
सेम उससे एंड भी नहीं हो रहा है वो भी तो दिमाग
That
लगा
I told you first.
First itself.
All right. Okay. Now we are on the bonus question.
क्या
Let's
फायदा
see who
today I'm
gets
only
it.
winning
Clear
doesn't
winner
matter.
है. Okay. Let's see. This is a little tricky. Let's see who gets it. A large enclosed platform, often circular or oval shaped,
एम्फीथिएटर
designed to showcase theatre, musical performances, or sporting events.
स्टेडियम
Starts. It is similar to a stadium. Starts and ends with the same letter.
सेंटर स्टेज
Okay, it is
Stage.
composed of a large open space surrounded on all sides,
ग्राउंड
tiered sitting so that spectators can see what is happening.
एम्फीथिएटर होता है
Amphitheater is A and D. Starts
ए
with
एंड डी
No.
स्टेडियम एस एन
Okay, I have last clue.
हाँ
5-letter word.
स्टैंड्स नो इट्स 6 कोलोजियम नहीं है
5, 4,
क्लॉक स्टैंड
1, 0.
व्हाट इज इट क्या है भाई
8 is an arena.
एट्रियम याद आया था मुझे
Arena.
बट एट्रियम आई थॉट बट आई थॉट A&M so I didn't say it arena okay
Yes.
got
Okay. So neither of them get the points for the bonus question. So before I announce the winner for today's quiz, let's see the viewer's question for today. So here's the question that you guys have to answer. Okay, starts and ends with the same letter. Don't forget. A synonym of being present all over or omnipresent. This word means in or at all places. What is the word? All right. Leave your answers in the comments. And the winner for today's quiz is Neha. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, do subscribe to our channel, press on the bell icon, and stay updated on all our latest quizzes. Until then, bye.
Bye.